Hello friends, I am Dr. Aditi Bhatnagar, a physician and a healer. Today I am going to talk about how you can quickly balance your chakras. There are a lot of times in our routines where we get hassled very easily, or we feel that there is dearth of time and we need to balance our chakras, or we need to go out or to go to a particular place with a very clear heart and a clear mind, so that we are able to perform our duties better, or if it is a presentation in the office, we are able to do it nicely. At that time there is anxiety in us, there is so much happening around us, and we need to center ourselves. So how do we do it? So this is a quick exercise which you can do anywhere, sitting or standing. And if you are a grade 1 or a grade 2 Reiki channel, that would make it much more faster. But still, if you haven't done any meditative form of learning like Reiki or pranic healing, you can still do it. And for that, you simply need to know that there are 7 chakras that exist in our body, 7 major chakras, because there are a lot of other chakras also. Excuse me. So we need to breathe into our chakras. How do we do it? So this is a third eye. Third eye chakra exists in between our eyebrows. What we need to do is, if you want, you feel that you can't focus enough, you can put your right palm on the third eye chakra and take nice deep 3 deep breaths, right? So you take deep breaths into your third eye. That is, when you breathe in, you have to feel that your entire head, because your third eye is completely here, is filled with air. It's filled with positivity, with a lot of air in your head, right? So if you are a Reiki channel or a pranic healer, you can visualize white light into your entire third eye. Yeah. And when you exhale through the mouth. So you put your palm on your third eye, take 3 deep breaths, and as you inhale, visualize that your entire head is filled with white light or with air. And when you exhale through the mouth. Once you've done 3 deep breaths, then you can just move your palm to your throat chakra. Yeah. And do the same thing. Breathe in deeply for 3 times and exhale through the mouth. And when you breathe in into your throat, visualize white light filling your entire throat chakra, or you can visualize a lot of air which is completely filling your throat, and that it is balanced. You have to simply stay with the feeling that all your chakras are balanced right now. Okay. Once you've done this 3 times on your throat chakra, move your palm down to your heart chakra. Keep it on your heart chakra and breathe in deeply 3 times. Breathe in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. And as you inhale, visualize a beautiful white light filling your entire rib cage, spreading to your hands. Your heart chakra also extends to your hands. So visualize your hands and your heart completely filled with this white light, or it is nourished with your breath. And when you exhale through the mouth. Once you're done with your heart chakra, just glide your palm to below the rib cage and above the navel, that is your solar plexus, and take a deep breath in. Fill your entire solar plexus, that is below the rib cage and above your navel. That entire part is filled with white light, or you can visualize it completely filled with air and completely nourished. Exhale through your mouth and excuse me. So this is a way to balance your solar plexus as well. Slowly glide your palm below your navel, that is your hara chakra or your sacral chakra. Breathe in deeply 3 times, and as you breathe in, visualize white light filling your sacral chakra, that is your lower belly, the belly below the navel. And as you exhale through the mouth, and feel that you've thrown away all the negativity that exists in you. Exhale through the mouth. And the last time, visualize that white light is now flowing into your lower belly, and when you exhale, exhale out completely. Slowly glide your palm to the lowest part of your body, that is the root chakra. If you don't wish to keep your palm on the root chakra, you can even keep your palm on the thighs and take a deep breath in. And as you breathe in deeply, visualize the white light spreading through your body, completely down to your thighs, knees, your legs, and to the tips of your toes. And as you exhale, visualize this white light flowing out of you from your nostrils as well. So by the time you come to the root chakra, you are visualizing that you are inhaling white light completely and exhaling white light as well. So you are in tune completely with the universal energy. 3 deep breaths for your root chakra. Fill your entire being with the white light, or fill your entire being with the universal breath. And at each point, know that you are balancing all your chakras. If you've forgotten to affirm that during the balancing time, you can say it in the end, that all my chakras are balanced, I am calm, I am secure, I am protected. Once you've done this, this is simply a very easy exercise to balance all your chakras, to remove away all the negativity. And once you know the technique, you can do it in 2 minutes flat. So this can be done at any point in time, at any place. I hope you resonate with it. Do practice it, and I'll be happy to know how you've been faring by cleaning and balancing your chakras in this quick way. Bye bye. Have a great day ahead.